Good afternoon, gents and ladies, of course. Right, what do you think to my Triumph Bonnie? It's not an old vintage one, it's a 2015 model, but I've got this in at the moment, and I've just developed a whole new tail tidy for it. So this video is all about the new tail tidy that I have developed for the Triumph Bonneville and the Triumph Thruxton. So if you've got a Bonneville or a Thruxton, you can have this tail light. Now I've been designing this tail light for the past 4 years for the BMW R90, and I've had people ask me for it constantly ever since I launched it back in 2014, 2015. Ever since I launched it, people ask me, can you make one for the Triumph Bonneville or the Thruxton? So finally, after 4 years, without further ado, I've gone ahead and I've only gone and done it. So here it is. So I did some video footage yesterday of me riding this bike outside and showing you some rear photography of the light. There's no point in showing you in here. So if you haven't already, can you please subscribe? I really appreciate it if you do. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and leave a comment down below. Ride safe.